Coming up next, we had this all-you-can-eat feast. Place called Wow Cow.
Wow!
At the seaside by Mall of Asia. Feasted on this hot pot. All these amazing meats.
That's looking really good. Woo, let's eat again. Oh my gosh.
And listen to this amazing band on the second time we went there. I'll have a separate video of them performing, so please stay tuned for that. Come along and let's enjoy this delicious food. Kain tayo!
A lot of food. It's all you can eat too. Here we go again. Let's eat.
We were trying to find another place to eat by seaside at Mall of Asia, so we decided to eat at Wow Cow.
Wow!
This will be our second time. Yeehaw! Let's go! Let's go, Bears! Let's go!
Hey, what's up? It's Chi and we're at Wow Cow again. I don't think you're gonna see that video. Well, you will. I still gotta vlog it, but we decided to eat here again. It's all you can eat for 1,000 pesos.
Flashback.
Wow Cow.
Wow!
This had some pretty amazing food. It's the first time having hot pot. We were trying to go to Vikings all-you-can-eat buffet, but you needed a reservation, so we ended up at this spot. It was one of those hidden things we just walked in, and I must say, this was my first time eating hot pot, and it was delicious. We had to eat here twice. I had a full vlog where I talked in front of the camera, gave my reviews, and all the tastes that I normally do, but somehow I lost the footage. So you just gotta see the behind the scenes what I took with my phone. Sadly, you would have saw the crazy experience I had. But at least you get to see and enjoy with your eyes the feast that we are about to have. Special someone had some of her family stop over, so we decided to treat them all out for a giant feast.
There's rice. Wow, fried rice.
Everything was a surprise. I had no idea what kind of food was coming out.
So we just cook it in there, right?
Yeah, just mix it there.
This is pretty interesting.
It's called Wow Cow. Their specialty is beef. And that's a rarity here. We had this giant vat of boiling soup. I forgot the flavor, but let me tell you, it was divine. Oh my god. The cool part about this that Ate came and she cooked for us. This wasn't part of the service, but she stayed and cooked and she kept on being attentive. She was really, really a good person. Thanks, Ate. The service here was impeccable. They brought these individual fryers, which they normally don't do.
Sige, mag-start ka din mo dyan. Nakakain naman. It's on here. Lahat mo.
You can also put that in the hot pot too. You cook it in the hot pot.
This one?
Yeah.
I cooked some of the beef in this boiling broth and the flavors was so explosive. I wish I had that video.
You're okay with it. You're not on it.
Is that bean sprout? I think I'll come with. Oh, mushroom. Mushroom. Okay, I can do that.
I don't know if you heard, but we had to verify that that wasn't bean sprouts. I'm allergic to that, and that would have been a bad sight if I ate that.
And we have Ate over there just cooking a meal for us. I don't know if this is part of the service, but she should have been cooking. I don't know, maybe? She's gonna get a tip though for that.
And we got more soup.
And the soup just keeps on coming in its own kettle, like a tea kettle.
That sizzling meat. You can't beat it. This is my bowl of goodness. Meat, sausage, tofu, I believe. I don't know. It was just too damn good. See, Ate just kept cooking, and she just didn't leave us. At this point, everyone was getting full, but there was so much food, we just couldn't let it go to waste. They enjoyed. I wish I had a proper vlog for this, but you get the gist of it all. Let's go back to round 2.
End of flashback.
They have a live band, which is pretty cool. So I'm not gonna really vlog, I'm just gonna eat. See you later.
The thing I love about the Philippines are the live bands. You go to the restaurants and they have these amazing singers, so much talent, and sometimes you wonder, these guys should be signed or on the radio. If you want to hear some more music, I'll post a video on another vlog.
Magandang gabi po and welcome here at Wow Cow. The new arena, welcome for those who just came in.
This was a different setup that you saw earlier. I guess this is for a couple. You have your bowl and the grills on the very top.
A lot of food. It's all you can eat too. Here we go again. Let's eat. That's looking really good. Woo, let's eat again. Oh my gosh. Eating really good here in the Philippines.
If you're in the Mall of Asia, definitely you gotta try Wow Cow.
Wow!
So with that, this is Chi, and I'm out.
The band. Thank you. You guys are good. Thank you. That band is dope. I had to tip them.